What's up, everybody? Welcome back to MIG Studios. Welcome back to Michael Loves Trains. I'm your host, Michael, the creator of this channel. Now we're back on the Southern Eastern High Speed route on the Southern Eastern Railway, and today it's gonna be we're gonna be doing another express. Do you remember that vehicle driving a Blue Peter livery, but it doesn't go according to plan? Where I crashed my Blue Peter livery on some glitchy points. Well, I'm gonna be doing another one of these videos, except with a Castle Claus. I don't know what the name of it is, but I can for sure tell you it's Castle Claus 4073. So comment down below what's the name of 4073, because I have no idea. Anyway, we won't be going that far this time. I'm only going to be doing 16 miles. I'm going to be going from here to here. I ain't going through the glitchy points again. Anyway, let's get this train on the move. Oh, why are we not moving? The brakes off? Huh. Let me try that again. Okay, is it on backwards? Or what? But give me a minute, let me just sort it out. Alright guys, I've lowered up the coaches, so it should be moving now. There we go. After painstaking, I finally got this bloody livery to move. And it's only pointing 5 coaches, because apparently it won't work with like Scotsman's coaches. Because before I started this video up, I got the Flying Scotsman out and I used it its coaches, but it looks like I gifted too much. So now it's pointing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coaches. I mean, it could carry more. I mean, it does carry more when I do my videos on the West Somerset Railway, but not here, apparently. Anyway, here's the inside of the cab. Here's the whistle. You get like a window shot. There we go. Okay. Just gonna do like a view shot. Give me a minute. Got a bit of an airplane shot. Oh yeah, that reminds me, I need to put on the express plate while I've chosen for this engine. There we go. That's more like it. miles per hour. $90. Oh. What the? Glitch? Never mind. Alright, we're doing way better than the last video expressed at the moment, because the last time I've done one on this route, the whole train exploded on glitchy points, and it was my Blue P delivery, as I mentioned earlier on. I should probably mention that this is going to be my very last video of this year, and then I'll this is going to be my very last video because I'm going to be taking the New Year's Day off, the New Year's Eve off, and then the next day I'm going to be doing like a recap video. I might do, I might not, I don't know. I might do like a New Year's special on FNAF Bros or something. Maybe for episode 10 of season 2, I'll do a New Year's Day, a 2025 recap episode. Where Freddy just talks about what happened during this year and MIG Studios is doing. Which is doing pretty fine right now because I've started this year. It's just going to be Freddy talking about recaps of 2025 and what's going to be happening in 2026. That kind of thing. Oh, shit, ran up a hill. Right, so the rest of this journey we're just going to be in the cab, and if I do look outside then it's just going to be like a window look. Just want to slow down a bit because we're getting closer to our stop. Come on! Oh, for fuck's sake. There we go. Is that weird how it's an express, even though I'm only pulling like 5 coaches? I mean, I would have more, but the engine won't start. But I'll speed up and then I won't stop accelerating until we hit maybe like something miles, maybe like 2.1 something miles. Yeah, that would be perfect. When we hit 2.1 miles, that's when I'll slow down. We've got another station, and we just do like a whistle warning. Okay, we're doing 64 miles per hour. Wait, 64? What's this? Nintendo 64? Get it because we're doing 60... Well, under 64 now. But we were doing 64. I get the joke because we're doing 64 miles per hour and Nintendo 64. Even though I wasn't born in the 90s. I was born in 2012. Just sort of slow down. Oh. What the? Ugh! Just glitched through my body and boom! This. Ugh. Ugh. Disgusting. Gonna have a tea when I finish this. Factories. No, what does the inside of a Jubilee look like? A hall car? Look like a hall or a manor class? That's one thing. Literally looks like a hall class, except a hall and a manor class. It's right hand, it's right drive, while on this it's left drive. At least this isn't like Forza, because outside of this, I play Forza Horizon. You know what? Should I do like a Forza Horizon series? Comment down below what you think. Should I do like a Forza Horizon series? Where I drive around in my cars? Or just stick to the train series? And my West Somerset series. Comment down below what do you think? Should I do train and car videos or just train videos? Along with other of my YouTube series like FNAF Bros, Super Mario Comedy Show, MIG Animations, MIG Gaming, MIG Studios Movies. I could basically got like a lot of series going on. Wait, do I have to move? Switch points. Thank goodness I don't. I'll just whistle down even more. Let me just do like a whistle. Okay, let me just do like a whistle saying I'm here. Anyway, we're here on our destination. Anyway, thank you so much for watching me driving in this Castle Claus, which I don't know what the name it is. It's but it is numbered 4073, and thank you so much for letting me drive 4073 Castle Claus on the Southern Eastern High Speed route here on Train Sim World 6. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're at it, ring the bell so you'll get notified until we upload a new video. And wait a minute, is that a Pringles machine? Oh yeah, it is. Even though I'm not so keen on crisps. I know. I'm plain and simple. Anyway, I'll see you again next time, and I'll see you on my 2025 recap video for my FNAF Bros series. Anyway, peace!